Happy Monday. I hope you had an excellent weekend, and with yesterday's great weather and how warm it was outside, I hope you got to spend lots of time enjoying the sunshine. So last week we were learning about letter sounds, and we know up to letter T, and we're gonna finish the last 6 letters today. So let's quickly review. So if we have our cards, we know the uppercase and lowercase letters are at the top in black. So this is the letter A. The key word is what we say second. So first we say the letter name, then we say the key word, and then we say the sound. So if it's A, apple, ah, because when we say apple, the A says apple, ah. So we just did that one. Next, B, boy, B. C, cat, k. D, dog, d. E, egg, e. F, fish, f. G, goat, g. H, hat, I, igloo, I. J, jam, j. K, kite, k. Hold on. Sometimes the cards get stuck. All right, so we just did K. L, lamp, L. M, man, m. N, nut, n. O, octopus, aw. P, pig, p. Q, U, because remember that's a buddy letter. The Q never leaves without U. This is a picture of a queen, so Q, U, queen, qua. R, rat, r. S, snake, s. And T, top, t. So those are all of the letters we've learned so far, and today we're going to finish the rest of them. All right, are you ready? The first letters we have for today are U. So we have the uppercase U and the lowercase u. The picture is of an umbrella. Now, umbrella starts with the letter U. So if I say because it's the first part of the word umbrella, well, I know M says so what's that first sound? U, that's the U. So we have U, umbrella, What letter's this one? V. And this is a picture of a van. So the van starts with the letter V, and if we say van, the V says V. Notice how my teeth touch the top of my bottom lip. V, V, van, V. The next one we have is W. W, what's this cloud blowing? Wind. And when we say wind, the W says W. W, wind, W. The next letter is X. This is a picture of a fox, and at the end of the word fox, we hear the X. So we spell fox, F-O-X. So if we pressed it out, the letter F, ox. What sound is that X making? Ox. X says X. So X, fox, X. The next letter is Y, and this is a yellow crayon, so yellow. Y, yellow, and if we say the word yellow, which starts with the letter Y, yellow, so Y says Y, yellow, Y. And the last one, Z, and this is a picture of a zebra, and a zebra, when we say zebra, which starts with Z, the Z says Z, zebra. Z, zebra, Z. Let's try all 6 of these together. U, umbrella, V, van, V. W, wind, W. X, fox, X. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. And that's all of them. We did it. So now we're going to quickly go through all of the letter sounds that we know so far. So we know A through Z. We did it. And then we're going to be able to test our knowledge on Wednesday to see what we learned for letter sounds. So let's go. I'm going to whisper because I want to hear you say it. So, A, apple, A. B, boy, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, egg, F. F, fish, F. G, goat, G. H, hat, I, igloo, I. J, jam, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, L. M, man, M. N, nut, N. O, octopus, aw. P, pig, P. Q, U, queen, Qu. R, rat, R. S, snake, S. T, top, T. U, umbrella, A. V, van, V. W, wind, W. X, fox, X. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. There we go. So now it's your turn to practice the 6 new letters that we learned, letter sounds that we learned today. So those letters were U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So you will be able to practice those 6 letters on your Magic Phonics app and find out what else has those sounds in them or starts with those letter sounds. So you get to be your own detective and discover what else has those same letter sounds that we learned today. So for you, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, and Z, Z. All right, I hope you enjoy, and I hope you have a marvelous Monday. All right, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.